Wow, it's going to be a busy week for Forex market. I mean, as you can see this calendar. So we are going to be taking a look at the Forex market, talking about the calendar, the fundamental for this week. And we will also be looking into the currency strength for this week. Wow, it's going to be a real blast. Hello, my name is Emmanuel Adekola, aka the Forex Apostle, coming to you from the Forex Apostle mentoring.com, and I want to welcome you to this video. So in this video, we are going to be looking into the Forex market for the week. We'll do the analysis and we'll predict and forecast some of the move. So however, I want to welcome you once again, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, do me a favor, smash on that subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, then like this video, share this video with your friend, and if there's any currency pairs you would like me to include in my weekly analysis that comes your way every Monday, please do me a favor, leave it at the comment section of this video also. So I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do that, and we'll continue with this video in a second. All right, so welcome back. So let's quickly take a look at the currency strength for the week. We're talking about the week 12/12 to 12/18. So this week is going to be a very busy week, as you can see in the calendar. But before then, let's take a look at the currency strength. As you can see, New Zealand dollars is weak. Okay, Canadian dollars is weak, and of course Bitcoin is still weak. Now we have the Swiss franc strong, Japanese yen strong, and you can see gold not really that too strong also. So this week, as I've always said, you remember, you buy the strength. Okay, buy the strength, and sell the weak. So you buy the strength and you sell the weak. So what are we looking forward to do? So this week we're going to be buying, okay, we're going to be buying CHF, except anything changes based on the fundamental and the upcoming news. But then for now, based on what we can see right now, we will be looking forward to buy to buy CHF, Swiss franc, buy Japanese yen, okay, and we'll be looking forward to short New Zealand dollars and the Canadian dollars. Even GBP, as you can see right now, is 0.00, but based on the forthcoming news also, I will be expecting to short GBP crosses. Okay, I will be expecting to short GBP crosses, especially like a GBPCHF, okay, GBPCHF, Jpjpy, these two currency pairs, I'll be looking forward to short them, except anything changes based on the upcoming interest rate release. So then, of course, when you're looking to NZD CHF, NZD JPY. So I will be looking forward also to short these two pairs. Okay, that's what I will be looking forward to do. And remember, we are basing our analysis on daily and 4 hours chart. So let's take a look at the calendar for the week. As I said, it's going to be very busy. Nothing on Sunday and nothing on Monday, as you can see. So on Tuesday, we're going to be having this 7:30 a.m. the Bureau of Labor Statistics is going to be releasing this news. It's going to be busy for EURUSD and maybe NZD USD. Most of the major currency pairs. Remember, when we talk about major currency pairs, it means that they have USD as their crosses. So then Tuesday, we're going to be having this New Zealand release also. So it's going to be very busy day. NZD USD on Tuesday. I mean, come on, watch out for that. Then Wednesday, wow, is going to be a very busy day. we start the day 1 a.m. Central Time with the Office of National Statistics talking about GBP. So the GBP crosses, watch out for that on Wednesday, Canadian dollar. So GBPCAD, watch out for that on Wednesday. And of course, GBPUSD on Wednesday, GBPUSD, GBPCAD around 11 a.m., GBPUSD, GBPUSD, GBPNZD. That will be in the evening. GBPNZD and GBPOZ. So in the evening on Wednesday, if you're a day trader, make sure there will be a lot of market, a lot of trading opportunity, but make sure that you select the most appropriate, and of course you want to make sure that you watch your risk and money management very strictly, very strictly. Okay, in a situation like this where there are a lot of opportunities, that is when many people blow up their account. Okay, then on Thursday, Swiss franc, wow, that is going to be awesome. So look into GBPCHF, look into EURUSD, look into NZD-CHF. That will be on Thursday. That PS is going to be, Swiss National Bank is going to be releasing this news, and then of course the same Thursday we have another one right there, CHF, GBP. So it's a busy week. Friday is going to be quiet, but then same Thursday we are still expecting we're expecting the ECB press conference. So that will be for EURUSD. As you can see, it's going to be a busy week. It's going to be a busy week. If you are enjoying this analysis already, maybe this is the first time you are stumbling on our YouTube channel and you have not subscribed, do me a favor, smash on that subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and of course like this video. And if there's any currency pairs you want us to include in our weekly analysis, as we do this every Monday, make sure you leave it at the comment section of this video. Okay, all right, so let's continue. So we're going to be starting from Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoin is stayed down right here. Right now, Bitcoin, as at the time of creating this video, is around 48,000. But then I'm trusting, looking into this to be a double bottom for Bitcoin. I'm also looking at this to be, taking a look right there, taking a look right there, right there. I'm expecting that Bitcoin should start making its way up, at least looking into the end of the year, close to the end of the year. That is when Bitcoin most of the times normally rally. So I'm looking at the Bitcoin getting back above 50,000 this week, above 50,000 this week. If possible, even don't be surprised, it can get up to 52,000 before Friday this week. So that's what I will be looking. But then if it happens that it breaks out downward from this 47,281 zone, then too bad for Bitcoin, because it therefore means that let's see if that happens. If that happens, we would be expecting, we expect Bitcoin, okay, we expect Bitcoin to anyway, this is what I would be expecting Bitcoin to do, to actually bounces back from this area. I'm expecting it up. Okay, I'm expecting Bitcoin. That is my opinion. Number one, I have this Phoenix, okay, telling me, okay, now we should come and push back upward, and I won't be surprised if we push up to this 52,000. As you can see right there, that 52,000. That's what I'll be expecting Bitcoin to get to. Now, Nasdaq also, let's take a look at Nasdaq. This is where we are on Nasdaq. This week, we expect Nasdaq to push back up. And when I talk about Nasdaq, I'm actually referring to indices as a whole, because if you look at it right here, we've already bounces back from this 50 EMA. So this week, I will be expecting Nasdaq to push back to 16,708. Hopefully all things being equal, because we are both, remember, we're talking about, we are uptrend, you see, up, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low right there. And So right there, that is, and it bounces back. Okay, it bounces back. So possibly it might come to the test, but I'll expect it to kind of head up. That is what I will be looking forward. I'll be looking forward to buy, okay, Nasdaq this week. I will be looking forward to buy Nasdaq this week. That is what I will do. Remember, this is just my own opinion about the market. Please do your due diligence and make sure that you know what you are doing, and never trade with money you cannot afford to risk. Okay, that is common sense 101. Do not trade with money you can't afford to risk. Do not trade with the money you can't afford to risk. Okay, so let's take a look at the GBPAUD. As we have said, GBPAUD is down. If you look at it right there, GBPAUD is down, and as I've told you, I will be looking forward to actually short, okay, to short GBP crosses this week. So GBP USD, GBPAUD, GBPCAD, I will be looking forward to short them. So this is what I'm expecting for GBPAUD this week, to kind of a pullback, okay, pull back a little bit, okay, pull back right here. Where are you? Okay, pull back, okay, possibly just mate with this 50 MA, then give us like a pin bar or bearish engulfing candle, then short it, and of course I'll be looking forward to take my profit from 1.82231. That is what I'll be looking forward to do at GBPAUD. Then GBPCAD, the same thing. GBPCAD, you know, we've just talked about short-term GBP. Take a look at this. The market is down, okay? There is more of selling pressure. So before Wednesday, GBP release, yes, GBP can pull, GBPCAD can push back, made with this 50 EMA, and the same thing applicable to GBPAUD. I'll be looking for entry trigger to go short, and if that happens, we'll be targeting over here for our take profit. Now, if I target here for our take profit and it breaks out from that 1.66479, then I won't be surprised. Let's take a look at weekly and see what we have. If it breaks out from here, then it therefore means that we might be heading downward. 1.59138. GBPCAD, I have a trade that has been on this for a very long time. As you can see, these pairs have been very, very stubborn for a very long time, up and down, 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 right there. So if we break out of this area, come back, we test, and we might find our way up to this 1.59138 before the end of this year. But then it might also bounces back from here. Okay, if it bounces back right from here because of this pen bar right here, take a look at that wave pen bar. There's this pen bar right here. So who knows, it might just bounces back right there based on the news. And if that happens, then another good news, because I actually have buy positions you know, pending for this same currency pair. So if we find our way up, then that will be good news. But as I've said, most of my GBP crosses, I am actually bearish on them for this week. Okay, we'll talk about GBPCHF, same thing. I'll be expecting this also come back and meet with the 50 EMA, then head way down. So GBPCHF. So let's take a look at Jpjpy, the same thing. Most of the GBP crosses, GBPNZD. I have another trade that I've been on, that I'm monitoring actually, GBPNZD. Now, when you take a look at this bearish engulfing candle, you can see right there, it's coming back to the test, but then we will be looking forward to either head downward towards this area right there, or if it breaks out from that, we will be coming back downward right here, and if it breaks that area right here. So that is where I decided to use a clean chart, price action for this week analysis. But you all know that most of the time I use Tradermatic. And in case you want to, get your own copy of Tradermatic, all you need to do is go to www.tradermatic.net. That is what I use mostly for my trading. But this week I decided to use price action, claim price action for the analysis this week. Okay, EURUSD, I'm not expecting much from EURUSD this week because USD has been just, Euro, as you can see, right now is fighting. Should I go back up? Should I go down? USD is strong generally. And with this Omicron and all these new variant of COVID, USD is just struggling right now. But then with this inside bar, this is, let's see what's going to happen. If this inside bar breaks out, see this particular area, then EURUSD might not stop until it gets back to 1.16878. But then if it breaks out downward, then sad news for EURUSD, because it means that will head downward. But because of this pen bar, okay, because of this pen bar on weekly, I expect more. You can see all those rejection. And this is indecision candle. So EURUSD right now for this week are more bullish. Okay, it might sound funny, but I'm more bullish on EURUSD than bearish. So we'll see how that goes. That is my opinion. Please do your due diligence before you jump into the market. Also taking a look at the Euro AUD also, as you can see, there is more or less indecision right now. Let's take a look at weekly. This is not bearish. It's not bearish engulfing candle. Let's take a look at 4 hours. As you can see, also on 4 hours, we are below 50 EMA. But then, based on all the news coming up, I will be expecting Euro AUD to pull back up. Actually, that is just like EURUSD. I will expect Euro AUD to also push upward. That is my opinion. Okay, that is my opinion. And let's take a look at I believe the same thing applicable to most of the euro. So let's jump to Aussie JPY, Aussie CHF. As you can see, based on our analysis, remember our analysis, right? Aussie right here, Aussie is strong, not really that too strong, but then NZD is weak, Canadian dollar is weak. So Aussie is weaker compared to CHF and Japanese yen. So if that be the case, I'll be expecting to short Aussie, okay, with respect to JPY and CHF. So then when we look into this rejection right there, as you can see, that's a pin bar. That candle right there qualify for pin bar. So on this daily, this is what I will be expecting to do for Aussie JPY. I will be putting pending order right there. Okay, pending order right there. My stop loss will come above there, and if that trade triggers, my take profit will be at 0.64174. That will be for Aussie CHF, Aussie JPY. The same thing applicable. I will be looking this inside bar. I will be looking forward to see it break out downward, and my stop loss will come right above there, and take profit also right at this particular resistance area right there. So the same thing, Aussie NZD. Remember, our NZD is weak, so this one right now is not. It doesn't give a clear direction on daily. So on 4 hours, as you can see, we have that small pen bar right there. So I won't be surprised if this also push downward. Okay, that is Aussie NZD right there. Almost same thing applicable to the rest of the Aussie crosses. Let's take a look briefly at the CAD JPY. I mean, this is still bearish anyway, so I'll be expecting to take my profit from there. I have an ongoing trade actually on this. As you can see, it's been down for a while right there. So right there. So we still continue downward for CAD, Jpy. Okay, guys, I really want to thank you. You see, Forex is not gambling. You just need to understand what you are doing. Once you understand what you are doing, you'll be able to predict. It's like a prophecy. That's why I'm Forex Apostle. You know, you can see tomorrow, you can see what is going to happen to the market. Okay. Once again, I want to say a very big thank you. I'm planning some training for us towards January, even as we round off this year. But remember, we are still running some promo. If you want to join the Forex Apostle mentoring, claiming your 80% discount, the link should be at the description of this video. And once again, I wish you Merry Christmas in advance. If you happen to be in DFW, I'm inviting you for a special carol service this Sunday. It's going to be December 19th, and we're going to be starting by 9 a.m. Okay, I look forward to connect with you. I look forward to see you. God bless you, and I'll see you at the top.